Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel which is Legal Pedagogy, and in this particular video we are covering the important MCQs from the Indian Polity section. As you all know, Indian Polity plays a very crucial role if you are preparing for any of the law entrance examination. So I would like to request you to kindly take a register and note down all these MCQs. And there is a separate playlist for different sections like Indian Polity, Current Affairs, which is already uploaded on the channel, so you can refer those videos as well. Apart from this, if you want to enroll yourself in the paid live and recorded lectures of mine for DULLB and other law entrance examination, the fee for this batch is very minimal so that a student coming from any of the economics section can afford it. So you can collect all the relevant information from the contact number which is given on the screen. So let's start with this particular video. The first question is, what can be amended by the special majority? So सवाल आपसे पूछ रहा है कि स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी किस केस में चाहिए होगी। तो दोस्तों, जब भी whenever डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द स्टेट पॉलिसी हैज टू बी अमेंडेड, जब भी डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी को अमेंड करना होगा, उस केस में स्पेशल मेजॉरिटी की जरूरत रहती है। एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट these other pointers, in this case we only require simple majority. But however, if DPSPs have to be amended, it requires a special majority in the parliament. The next question is, which is not a fundamental duty under Indian Constitution? So सवाल है कि इनमें से कौन सी फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी नहीं है भारत के संविधान के हिसाब से। So friends, to pay taxes on date is not a recognized fundamental duty under the Indian Constitution. As you all know, fundamental duties are covered under Article 51A of Indian Constitution. There are total 11 fundamental duties. The latest one is with regard to education, that there is a fundamental duty which is imposed upon the parents, guardian of a student whose age is between 6 to 14 to provide elementary education to their ward. So दोस्तों, 11 फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज हैं टोटल। 51A जो है हमारे देश के संविधान का जो आर्टिकल है 51A, उसमें फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज का जिक्र है। और सबसे लेटेस्ट फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी है कि जो पेरेंट्स हैं बच्चों के, जिनकी उम्र 6 से 14 साल के बीच में है, उनके पेरेंट्स के ऊपर ये फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी है कि वो अपने बच्चों को एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन दिलवाएं। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इंडियन सिटीजनशिप इज ग्रांटेड बाय। सो इंडियन सिटीजनशिप दोस्तों कौन ग्रांट करता है हमारे देश में? इट इज ग्रांटेड बाय होम मिनिस्ट्री। द होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया इज अमित शाह। यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट। एंड देयर आर 5 ways through which you can acquire Indian citizenship, and there are 3 ways through which Indian citizenship can be terminated. So you have to remember all these points as well कि 5 तरीके हैं जिसके थ्रू आप सिटीजनशिप को एक्वायर कर सकते हो, और 3 तरीके हैं जिनसे वो टर्मिनेट हो सकती है। The next question is, who appoints the chairman of all parliamentary committees of Lok Sabha? So chairman of all parliamentary committees of Lok Sabha is appointed by Speaker of Lok Sabha. It is an important question which can be asked, so you have to remember this. The next question is, the first union budget of India was presented on. Friends, सवाल पूछ रहा है कि हमारे देश का पहला यूनियन बजट कब पेश किया गया था। So the first union budget was presented on 26th of November 1947. You have to remember this date. 26 नवंबर 1947 को दोस्तों हमारे देश का पहला यूनियन बजट पेश किया गया था। एंड इन द कमेंट सेक्शन आपको ये बताना है कि वो कौन थे हमारे देश के फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर जिन्होंने पहला यूनियन बजट हमारे देश का पेश किया था। एंड करेंटली एवरी ईयर finance minister presents the union budget on 1st of February. Earlier, the union budget was presented in the last week of February, but however later on the date was shifted to 1st of February. So now onwards, the union budget is presented on 1st of February every year. So you have to remember this point as well. The next question is, who do not participate in the election of the president? So friends, the nominated members of Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha, no nominated member of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha takes part in the election of the president. You have to remember this point. This is very crucial. Nominated members never participate in the election of the president because they are the one who are nominated by the president itself. तो जो भी दोस्तों nominated members होते हैं लोक सभा के और राज्य सभा के, वो कभी भी भारत के राष्ट्रपति के इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते हैं। The next question is, which amendment bill seeks to reserve 1/3 seats for women candidates in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly? So it was 108th amendment bill which was introduced to reserve 1/3 seats for women candidates in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly, but however it was never passed. So currently there is no seat reservation for women candidates in Lok Sabha and State Legislative Assembly as this bill was not passed. So दोस्तों 108th अमेंडमेंट बिल आया था जिसके जरिए 1/3 सीट रिजर्व करने की बात की गई थी वुमेन कैंडिडेट्स के लिए लोकसभा और स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के चुनावों में, पर वो पास नहीं हुआ जिसकी वजह से अभी फिलहाल कोई भी ऐसी सीट्स रिजर्व नहीं है. The next question is Planning Commission which was replaced by Niti Aayog was which kind of body? So the question which is being asked is कि Planning Commission को replace किया गया था नीति आयोग के द्वारा, तो Planning Commission किस तरीके की किस प्रकार की बॉडी थी? So Planning Commission was a extra constitutional body. Always remember this point. It was an extra constitutional body and not a constitutional body. Secondly, Niti Aayog replaced it, and Niti Aayog is referred to as think tank of India. Think tank of India. It is a executive body, and after it was replaced by Niti Aayog, Planning Commission is no more in existence. तो दोस्तों नीति आयोग ने प्लानिंग कमीशन को रिप्लेस किया और नीति आयोग को थिंक टैंक ऑफ इंडिया भी कहा जाता है और ये एक प्रकार की एग्जीक्यूटिव बॉडी है जिसके चेयरमैन होते हैं हमेशा ही प्रधानमंत्री. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द टेन्योर ऑफ लोकसभा हैज बीन एक्सटेंडेड टिल नाउ. तो सवाल पूछा है कि लोकसभा का टेन्योर वैसे तो 5 साल का होता है, तो अभी तक कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि उसके टेन्योर को बढ़ा दिया गया हो. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द टेन्योर ऑफ लोकसभा कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड ड्यूरिंग द नेशनल इमरजेंसी. जब हमारे देश में नेशनल इमरजेंसी लगी हुई होती है तब द टेन्योर ऑफ लोकसभा कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड एंड इट हैज बीन एक्सटेंडेड टिल नाउ ओनली वंस ड्यूरिंग द regime of Indira Gandhi. When the national emergency was imposed by Indira Gandhi, only then the tenure of Lok Sabha was extended. It has happened only once in the history of India that the tenure of Lok Sabha was increased, was extended from 5 years to more. So the answer to this question is that only once it has happened that the tenure of Lok Sabha was extended, and it can be only extended in the case of national emergency. The next question is the chairman of NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission, holds office till. So there was an amendment in NHRC which took place in 2019. 2019 में दोस्तों amendment आई थी National Human Rights Commission को लेके. So after that amendment, the chairman of NHRC holds office till 70 years or 3 years, whichever is earlier. So you have to remember this point. The chairman and the other members of NHRC hold office till 70 years or 3 years, whichever is earlier. Another change which was brought up through an amendment in 2019 was that earlier only the retired Chief Justice of India could hold the office of chairman of NHRC, but however after an amendment in 2019, now even a former judge of Supreme Court can even hold the office of chairman of NHRC. So you have to remember all these points. अब दोस्तों सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो फॉर्मर जज होते हैं या फिर फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस हमारे देश के जो रहे होंगे वो भी NHRC के चेयरमैन बनाए जा सकते हैं, और चेयरमैन जो होते हैं NHRC की उनका टेन्योर कब तक रहता है 70 साल या फिर 3 साल, जो भी पहले एग्जिस्ट कर जाएगा वहां तक उनका टेन्योर रहता है. The next question is who nominates the chairman of Public Accounts Committee? Public Accounts Committee consists of 22 members, amongst which 15 members are from Lok Sabha and 7 are from Rajya Sabha. So the chairman of Public Accounts Committee is nominated by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. You have to remember this point. This is very crucial. The next question is the power to increase the number of Supreme Court judges is vested in. So दोस्तों Supreme Court judges की strength को कौन बढ़ा सकता है, ये सवाल आपसे पूछ रहा है. So the power to increase the number of Supreme Court judges it is vested in the Parliament. The Parliament has the power to increase the number of Supreme Court judges. The next question is which Indian state had the first woman chief minister? So it was Uttar Pradesh who had the first woman chief minister of India. Her name was Sucheta Kriplani. So you have to remember her name because she was the first woman chief minister and it was of Uttar Pradesh. So दोस्तों ये थे कुछ important questions from the Indian polity section. If you really liked these MCQs which I am covering in my videos, kindly do share the channel, and if you are not yet subscribed, do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.